Are you tired of accidentally exposing your contacts' email addresses? Learn how to send BCC mail in Gmail in under 2 minutes. First, I'll show you where to find the BCC field, then how to add recipients and send your email privately. Start by heading over to the Gmail homepage. Then, click the Compose button in the upper left corner to open a new message window. In the new message window, locate the To field and click the BCC button to reveal the BCC field. Now, type or paste the hidden recipients into the BCC field. If you'd like, you can also enter a primary recipient in the To field. Next, add a subject line to your email. Go ahead and write your message in the body area. Finally, click Send. Everyone in the BCC field will receive the email without seeing the other BCC recipients. That's it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.